CC parents, this is week 17 and I will just go through all the things fast that we had motions or songs with. For map we did Central Europe, we just went through over the map, traced it, made sure the kids know where Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany and Switzerland are. English noun was obviously what's an English noun? What is a noun? We used I'm a little teapot tune for that, and a noun names a person, place or thing, activity or idea. A noun names a person, a place or thing, activity or idea. So obviously I'm a person, a place, a thing, an activity, I'm doing an activity, or an idea. First conjugation endings Latin is future tense this week, and we said you look into the future and you see a bow. For the boys, they see a bow, they think bow and arrow, the girls see a bow. So they have to remember to say singular and plural. This is bobus bit, singular. Bimus bitus band, plural. First conjugations, future tense. So I would ask them, what's the first conjugation, future tense? And they would say bobus bit, singular. Bimus bitus band, plural. And then I will just ask them again, what first conjugation endings are they? And they say future tense. So ask those questions. When you ask them, even though you've asked them future tense, at the end of them say, what first conjugation endings are those again? Let them answer back future, so that they know which ones are future, which one is future perfect, which one is past tense, all of those. Math was, what is a square? The area of a square, and it's on that same tune. The area of a square equals length of its side squared. S squared. They don't have to know the S squared. That's just the way the song goes. So the area of a square equals length of its side squared. Science was, what is Newton's second law of motion? Last week we did first law of motion, which was about an object in rest and an object in motion. This week is, what is Newton's second law of motion? And we just kind of used a risen. What is Newton's second law of motion? Newton's second law of motion is, we use force equals mass times acceleration. So F equals ma. Let them see the letters and they will remember. So for force we push. Force equals, this is a mass times acceleration. So what is Newton's second law of motion? Newton's second law of motion is force equals mass times acceleration. History was tell me about World War II leaders. We've done tell me about World War I leaders, tell me about World War I, tell me about World War II, tell me about World War II leaders. Make sure they know all the differences. So, World War II Axis, we're showing an X, Axis leaders were Hitler of Germany. We've done this for Germany. Tojo of Japan. Japan is in the form of a banana on the map. It's an island. So Tojo of Japan. And Mussolini of Italy. And we are kicking our boots because Italy on the map looks like a boot. So Mussolini of Italy. Then we're going to the Ally leaders. World War II. We've showed this before. Ally leaders were, and they're going to keep their hands like this and turn this into a little church. Churchill of England, Roosevelt, this is an R in sign, Roosevelt, Eisenhower, and MacArthur. On the little pictures on the app, MacArthur is saluting. So MacArthur of the US, this is what we show for US, and Stalin, we're making a little mustache because Stalin had a mustache. Stalin of the USSR. And that is it for week 17. And I will see you in week 18.